Hello everybody and welcome to our channel. Today we're going to be doing a quick video on editing and managing devices. This is going to pick up directly where we left off on the last video. So this assumes that you've already created a device. If you haven't done that before this video, I recommend you start with device creation and then come back here. Let's assume you've already created a device. At this point, you might be thinking, well, that's great, but I did this and my pen disappeared, so where is it? Well, that's a good question. Located on every coverage map, you'll find a View Devices button. From here, you can select a specific device or you can view them all. You can see that this is the device we created earlier. I've went ahead and located the pen. From this menu, you can edit the device or you can view the Google Doc. I've showed you how to create a device, how to view devices, and where to edit them. But there's one other menu of interest when we're talking about devices. You'll find that on your left side navigation bar in between the radio system and orders. This screen is where you can manage all of your devices. You can search for a device. That's the one we created earlier. You can select multiple devices to delete. You can also ping any IPs to make sure that they're still active. The IP address I have listed here is a dummy device. So when I click Check Status, the button turns red. This one up here is a good device, so you can see that when you check the status, it turns green. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. That is all I have for now, guys, but I will see you for the next one.